Alright, we're going to do a little slideshow here. Let me start this thing from the beginning. This is a part that was done on CNC base, and we're going to drill the holes halfway through it. We're going to start off with a piece of half-inch stock material and drill it a quarter of an inch deep using a 1/8 end mill cutter. I'm sure we've all played the game down at the Cracker Barrel with little pegboards, putting the golf tees in. We're going to drill these with a 1/8 ball nose end mill. Alright, I'm sure we all remember a squared plus b squared equals c squared, one of the basic trigonometry functions. And so what we're going to have to do is, we know that this is a equilateral triangle, meaning that all legs are the same. What we're going to end up doing is cutting this in half and making a right triangle out of it. Alright, since we know that the base in the equilateral triangle is 1.1908, if we cut it in half, the base then would be 0.5954. So now we're going to take, instead of a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we're going to just do it in reverse. C squared minus a squared would also be b squared, and b squared would give us the height between the on the triangle. We take the 1.1908 squared minus the 0.5954, which is the new base, squared, and get that number. If we get the square root of it, that'll be the height. Alright, since I've already done all the math for you, it's showing that from the bottom to the top, it's going to be 3/4 of an inch. Then from rung 1 to rung 2, and then there on out will be 1.0313. Alright, now it's your time, your responsibility or turn to write the program, to drill each one of the holes a quarter of an inch deep. And when we get back, we'll set our tool library for another tool. So far we're only up to 7 tools. This will be tool number 8, and it's going to end up being a 1/8 ball nose end mill. Our feed rate is going to be 15 inches per minute, and we're going to be machining at 2500 RPMs. Have a good weekend.